Hey guys, welcome to How to Infuse. Today we're going to take a look at trying to rejuvenate this old barbecue pit. You can see kind of the condition some of the burner plates are in. Burners are pretty much destroyed too, even though they were stainless steel. You know, anytime you're dealing with high heat, you're still eventually going to oxidize the iron that's in the stainless steel and need to replace it. So for just a little over $20, I think it was like $23, we got a complete replacement. 103 heat shields and the stainless steel burners. Now I'm going to show you the inside in a minute. For sure it takes a screw here, which I can tell you is completely rusted out, and then it appears that there's either another screw here or the igniter screws in at this point. The igniter doesn't work anymore anyway. I mean, we can look at it, but I'm pretty sure we're going to scrap that. So it'll just be a matter of installing these with one screw, and it appears they slide onto the jet. Alright, let's take a look inside. Alright, here we can see our three burners held down with a rusted out screw, which we're just going to try to remove and maybe force a new screw in there. I mean, what are we talking about here? Maybe getting one more season out of this thing. You know, for $23, basically we'll have a barbecue pit for the summer. That's the thinking anyway. But it may last a little longer. Before I take the drill to it, I'm going to go ahead and try to see if it's possible to maybe unscrew them. Alright, we drilled the heads of the screws off. They're all loose. They're operating. Okay. Okay, so one of the little disadvantages we're going to have here is that we're going to be unable to screw our burners back in place. Let's see what happens. Because apparently we're also Alright, they do match up. They just seem to be going in far further than before. Alright, so we have a dilemma here, and how do we secure that without being able to screw it? Now you might ask yourself, well, just drill another hole, put a new screw. I could continue to drill out those old screws. That would probably be the best solution. Drilling through stainless steel is much more difficult than regular steel. Or we can go ahead and just find an alternative solution, and that's what we're gonna go with here. So I'll be right back. So our wasp friend is back around. Need to try to be careful. Okay, so this is my solution. This is some stainless steel wire. And you might ask yourself, oh, I don't have that kind of stuff. Why does he have that? This is for rigging offshore fishing equipment. But it also comes in real handy when you want to do some repairs or do some weird type repairing. And that's what I think we're going to do here. Alright, due to the wasp, you missed that hole fiasco, so let's try it again. It's in there pretty firm, and it's also pushed in further the way that I'm doing it here. I'm not sure how that's going to affect the burners. Actually should hook up the gas bottle and go ahead and give it a quick test, but so anyway, this is offshore fishing wire. If you're in the same situation, you don't have to go out and get this. You could use something like maybe a coat hanger. Alright, let's get a gas bottle and see if we can't get something going here. Well, what do you know? Looks like the igniters work. So, let's turn on the gas. I hear some. It's a heck of a pilot light there, huh? Alright, that one we got lit. That one's lit too. For some reason this last one it's honestly acting like we are not on. Let me turn this off. It's already getting hot. It's definitely a case of don't try this at home. So I had a feeling that jet was clogged and I stuck some of that wire in there, and I think now it might be good. What we're looking for here is for these little holes to light up. Up, and there we go. So all three burners, I don't know if you can see that, but they are lighting up, and it's quite hot already. have to let that cool off and then set me up another wire for the back. Trust me, they are not going to stay that shiny. I think that center one, nope, so one fit and two didn't. No, they actually all don't fit, unless you bend them a little. They're pretty hot. Watch it. Still gonna need a little cleaning. Let's heat them up and give them a scrub down. The lug igniter doesn't work, but let's go ahead and see if we can. Oh, I saw a little Alright, must have been air in the line. It's lit now. Hello? High, low. Alright, we got a side burner working too. Still need to clean it. A couple of screws I took out that I didn't put back. 300 degrees. Man, you ain't gonna believe this. This thing ain't been used in like 3 years, and it actually smells good. I know, you just ain't gonna be happy until I prove to you how good my $23 were. So, Look at that. Starting to get stripes. Alright, pretty sure I'm burning my hot dog. Nope. Man, do you see those marks? Those are perfect marks, man. That's like commercial quality. That's what you see on TV. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna finish up this hot dog and have a little snack. And I got a few things to clean up so I can get it back where it normally gets stored, because now it's working again, don't want to leave it out here in the weather. Those burner kits are readily available on Amazon or even at your favorite home store. You just need to know the model number. Usually the model number, you can find it somewhere on the pit, and the actual barbecue portion of the pit might be used on 50 different types of barbecue. So if you get that model number, you'll see that even though you bought that at some obscure store, the parts might be readily available, and for $23 you can get your old barbecue pit going for another season, maybe even 2. Alright, hopefully that helped you out. Give me a thumbs up if it did. Subscribe. That goes a long way to help YouTubers like me keep making videos like this for viewers like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.